All right. Finally got back in the air again. I'm back to flying, baby. I'm taking off. I'm seeing the sky. I'm still remembering how to actually operate this thing. Let's see. I go this way and this way, that way and that way. Okay. We got it. Time to greet the sky. I'm heading up. Going for the glorious shot. Ooh, check out that sun that isn't quite up yet. Yeah, it's still pretty. It's not quite there, but you know, carefully fly over the power lines. I just got this thing. I don't want to kill it. All right. Okay. Good signal strength. Everything's looking fine. Carefully around the power lines again. It's looking pretty nice. Don't want to get too close to the apartment complex. Start waking up my neighbors. You know what? I bet I could take this thing over to Best Buy. And because this thing kind of flies itself, if I lose signal, it'll come right back. Ain't that nice? It's like your perfect little flying pet dog. Oh, check out that big beautiful building over there that did not have this drone in stock. I had to go buy it someplace else. Those guys ought to get their act together. All right, okay, I'm losing signal. You know what? I'm not gonna risk it. I'm coming back. You know what? I'm gonna take one little look at these air conditioning units. Ooh, cool. Oh no, losing signal again. Bail. Okay, head back. Okay, you can't see it in the video, but there is an H that marks where I am, and I am going to head straight back over there. Okay, check this out. I'm getting my fingers back into it. I'm getting the feel for it. I'm gonna come smooth down like I'm filming a movie trailer. Coming right down the driveway to the old apartment complex. Oh, look at that smooth fly through. Oh, you think I knew what I was doing? I do not. I got this thing in normal mode, which is baby mode. I got it in baby mode. It's working pretty good though. Okay, you know what? Let's go under the power lines. I'm gonna fly a little over the top of these trees. There's that building that used to have the sushi place. Oh, check it out. More air conditioning units. I am a fan of air conditioning units. Loving the hell out of them. Gonna check out every air conditioning unit I can. Okay, back over the top of the power lines. And you know what? I think I'm gonna maybe try to go around the block a little bit. Nice little swoop down here. Should be just fine. None of my neighbors are leaving. I can hear that nobody's driving by. Okay. Road's perfectly clear. Totally legal to fly over the road if there's nobody actually using it. All right, looking good. Heading down Huntington. Oh yeah, flying down the street. Good bars. Everything's looking great. Everything's hey, you know what? Oh, ouch. Out. The signal's going. Okay, I gotta turn this thing back around. Got to go. Maybe just a little further. Just a smidge. Okay, no. Yep. Hey, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna turn back around. I am right that way. Heading back to my apartment complex. Flying around in the air, yeah. Nobody's harassing me. I'm totally flying. Okay. Forward, back. Okay. Oh, got confused. Okay. I'm going up instead of forward. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. Back on track again. Back in the saddle. Heading back from my place. Everything is looking fine. Everything is looking all right. What is that sound? There is some sound out. Are those footsteps? Is somebody standing next to me? Boop. You can't see it, but I'm talking to this dude. And he's like, hey. He's like standing several feet from me and didn't say anything. Okay, I gotta bring this back and see what's going on. Okay, yeah. Oh, there's my new best friend. A complete stranger decided to talk to me while I'm blindfolded. My new best buddy in the whole wide world, who's totally not freaking me out at this moment. Okay. Remember how to land it. I went forward, down. Down. No, down. Oh, God damn it. Motherfucker.